Oh, well, this is very exciting.
Yes. So
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Masako.
you. I'm Masako.
Yeah, pleasure. And I guess, where do we begin?
Okay, please take off the shoes. So, excuse me. Okay.
Are these the same measurements as full bespoke?
So in case of the whole bespoke, I do more precise. I mean, the more place I measure.
How many measurements is this, the traditional?
5 places.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And then for full bespoke, how many measurements?
So I add the other one measurement and I look more the how it's the client foot and how it's a leg. I sketch how the feet. So a little bit different,
Okay.
but the base are same.
Basically.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much.
So in the tradizione, it is a modified stock last.
In this case, it's MTM.
Okay.
Because we touch something on the personal last. Okay, the standard last, but some modify we
Modifies,
do.
yeah.
Yeah. So tradizione is just a style. So we make a very similar as a meat measure and handmade shoes.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, please push back the heel. Thank you. Okay, so when you find your big toe, can you feel like lift up here?
Yes.
Okay. So pinky, are you fine?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think we found the right size.
What size is this?
This one is 42.
Okay.
Sea last. Sea last is our very standard and most classic.
It's a good
Okay,
fit. Yeah,
good
right.
fit, I think. And also the instep is,
So I normally have a high instep.
yes, but we can close but the correct way. So, yeah,
So that's
for you
okay.
to see, yes, that's okay. Can you walk around
Yeah.
a little bit? And please tell me if you have some problem and the pain. How do you feel the heel? Do you feel the sipping out? Oh.
So it feels maybe a little short. I mean, either the toe cap is long,
Yes.
because whenever I flex,
I say cut, then bite
Yeah.
the.
it's definitely pushing
Okay.
into the foot. Right?
Okay. But the width, how do you
width
feel?
seems fine.
Width seems fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's not too much room. I mean, this is nice. I don't
Yeah.
enjoy a roomy shoe, so that's
So you prefer the tight fit?
Tight fit.
Yeah, okay. But I'm a bit afraid it goes smaller size. This one here.
yeah.
Okay. Oh,
You think maybe we need a little bit longer?
we can challenge the half side. Okay, sorry. This one, it's half side smaller, so it's 41 half. Okay. How do you feel the big toe?
Yeah, right.
Right? Can you? Yeah, they're still okay. Can you move the every fingers inside the
Yeah,
toe
mostly.
box? Okay.
Yeah, that's too tight. Yeah, too tight.
Too tight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So maybe this is the right size,
Yeah.
but maybe the cap just needs to be shorter.
So this is our style, but yeah, the captor is
Too long.
we can make it shorter in this way.
I think that that's right.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. How do you feel the instep?
The instep feels nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
side?
The width is good.
Wait, it good? The pinky? It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
The
The
big
only
toe
thing
is
I think
okay?
I would change is just to pull the toe cap forward
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, we can make it a bit shorter. And so here, we can do. Okay. Tradizione, we can make the change the last, but I think you don't need it about this.
Yeah. Okay. Hand this back.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so
very
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.